It is 5:09 p.m. Just started our vacuum. Let me see how long this takes to reach 500 microns. Got an 8 CFM field piece pump. The gas ballast is open. And we're running a 1/2 inch Appion on that side and a 1/2 inch True Blue on this side. See, we're already registering microns. So as soon as we hit 10,000 microns, we're gonna close that gas ballast. Go ahead and close it. No. That one over here, the light. Yep, there you go. See how long it takes us to pull down. I don't wanna hear any of this. We need 12 CFM pumps. Look at this, 8 CFM. Look at that. All right, we started our vacuum at 5:09 p.m. It is now 6:02 and we hit 598 microns. Let me see your watch so we can see the time. 6:02 p.m. So in just under an hour, we're down to 596 microns. All right, guys, I went downstairs to put some stuff away. 464 microns, and it is only 6:26. An hour and less than, probably like an hour and 15 minutes. So all we're really vacuuming is this line set, which is probably about 20 to 30 feet at the most. And I'll show you the evaporator here in a minute, but we're done, baby. 462 microns. Good evening. It's 9:30. Just got a call for a walk-in cooler that's down. It says fans aren't running and breaker's not tripped, so they've tried, they said switching some switches. I have no idea. So I'll see if I can bring you guys along for this one. I'm on call today. It is Wednesday, January, I have no idea, like 14th, 15th or whatever. So 9:30, guys. Refrigeration life. See y'all when we get there. You can see right there it says R404A freezer. All right, guys, this is a walk-in cooler. It's maintaining about 38 degrees. But this is our freezer right here. Little freezer's running. I can't see this because of the light, but I don't know if that has anything in it. Might have a bad controller. Coil's clear. Yeah, refrigeration's not running right now. It was running a minute ago. So this might be the problem right here. Got no display. So let me look into this, but see, let me hold this sensor. There we go. See, refrigeration just kicked on. Yeah, this line's getting warm now. All right, so let me just take a look at this guy real quick. And maybe that's causing our issue. So let's check this controller. The display's not working, but it's cycling by itself. So I was not touching this a minute ago, and it is cycling. So I know for a fact I don't have one of those on my truck. I just need to make sure that it's actually cycling properly. And I don't believe it is. So we might have to replace that. Either go pick one up from the supply house or put an A19 for now. So let me go back up on the roof and check the condensing unit, make sure it's running. There you go, guys. See, freezer's running. Everything's good to go on that freezer. So we just need to change out that temp controller. I think it was 30 something degrees in there. So this freezer's running fine. All right, guys. So I don't have the exact replacement A419 ABC, but you can notice that I got my power in on this side and then my switch on this side. And I happen to have found this one in my van. It's a different type of Ramco controller, but we still have the same connections. Got our switch on this side. Just go from common to normally open, and our power here. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that tonight. We need to get these guys up and running. This freezer's been down for I don't know how long, so let's get started. Same way on the normally open switch right here, and same power. So we're gonna go ahead and mount this back up and restart this unit. See if we got to program this. All right, guys. So we got power, obviously at 48 degrees. So we're gonna run Fahrenheit. Definitely don't want to be at 70. Set it up for -10. Yeah, set .1. -10. Differential, we're gonna give it 3, and we're gonna set for cool. There we go. Just heard it engage, and our liquid line solenoid right in there opened up, and we're gonna start cooling. So let me button this up, and we'll monitor for a few minutes, make sure it's dropping temp, and we'll call it a night. All right, guys, we're at 38 degrees. Little UEI still showing 37, 36. So we're doing pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night, guys. Just the temperature controller, the other one, for those of you guys that are gonna say you didn't even check power or anything, the controller had a partial display. I hope you guys could have seen it in the video, but it had a partial display, so it had power, it was running, but either the board inside was bad or something was going on. So we replaced it, we got it running. We're dropping 10, guys, so that'll be it for tonight, guys. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.